Gary from MrG Shave here. Bit of an unusual video. I decided I would just do a quick unboxing video because I've got a few things to do before I shave, and I thought, you know what, I'll do a separate unboxing video. It'll only be a short video, I hope, but nevertheless that's what I'm doing right now. And then the video that follows this will be the shave with one of the items that I've got in one of these boxes. Right, so I think I'm going to start with this box, the biggest box, and this is from Yaqi. If you think back to when I got all those Yaqi brushes which I'm giving away, there was a bit of a miscommunication or a misunderstanding. They thought the list I sent them of brushes that I already have was a list of brushes that I wanted. So they sent me duplicates of all the brushes that I've already got. So they've now rectified that misunderstanding and they've sent me this box. I have opened the box, but I have not opened the packages. So here we go. And this was effectively started off by a good friend to the channel, a subscriber. He doesn't want his name to be known, so I'm not going to tell you who it was. But needless to say, you know, I'm very grateful. I'm just using an old Artist Club blade here to open this packaging up. So, the first of the Yaqi brushes that has been sent out to me is, doesn't say anything on the box, but it's in a really nice tube. Oh, that's nice. It's a black and white. I'll have to look up the names and I'll put the names up here. But that's fantastic. Look at that. That's really nice. That goes really well with the bathroom. Brilliant. 24mm synthetic knot. Excellent brush. Thank you very much. And this is from, these have all been sent by Grace from Yaki, so thank you, Grace. Put that back on. I've always, you know, been a bit of a fan of Yaqi brushes because I think they represent really good value. This isn't sponsored by Yaqi. These are just free brushes that they've sent to me to review. So this is the second one, and this actually has something on the bottom, but it doesn't say what it is. But let's just open this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's fantastic, and it's even got the coin in the bottom. That's beautiful. Wow, that's really nice. Again, I'll put the name, if I can, up here. So far I've got one brush that I think might suit today's shave. And you will see the image in the thumbnail at the beginning of the video, which one I choose for the actual shave. It is a straight shave day today. So, how's your week been so far? Has it been good? Hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Hopefully we get some better weather. Again, it's got a code on the bottom, so again I'll put the name up here. Oh, this looks different. Oh, ow, right, okay. So there's an Italian and a French version, I think. That is a stunner as well. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful brush. I don't know what this knot is. Oh, it feels really soft though. Cashmere knot, maybe? That feels stunning. So thanks again, Yaki. that is something I will definitely use soon. Won't be this video, this next shave video though. Don't think it's well, there isn't really a colour scheme to this next one, but just looking at it, I think so far the black one will suit this next video best. So again, another code. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. 24mm, beautiful knot. It's got a bit of backbone, this one. That's really nice. Look at the, I mean, they do some great brushes. You have to give it to Yaqi. I had, you know which brushes I've had already. I think there's 5 brushes that I'm giving away, and there are a few more brushes that I already have. So just putting all the ones that I've opened down here because I'm getting confused. Another one with a code. Oh, look at that. Absolutely stunning. 24mm again. These are all synthetic, which is great. I'm not a massive fan of badger, but if there is a badger in here, I'll use it. I mean, I won't give away freebies, but I don't think there will be. We'll see. So that's another one. And let's just check, is that, yeah, there's another code on the bottom. All in tubes, these. Oh, look at that. That's very similar to my Cavern, but I think this one's called the Goblin. I'll have to check. As I say, I'll put the name up there somewhere. Beautiful. It's got the coin in the bottom. Really, really nice. I've been waiting to do this for a while, but I've had so much on, what with my mother's 90th birthday and all the stuff that's been going on in between. I just haven't got around to opening this, so I've had this for about a week, this parcel. So let's open the last of the packages. From Yaki, I've got one more box to open, which again I opened the main package box, but I know what it is. And there's a bit of a story behind it, but that was something I purchased myself. Anyway, so this is the last but one of the Yaqi brushes. This looks a small brush. Oh, that's really different. 22mm knot. Very short sort of knot, but very nice indeed. I really like that. I'll be interested to try that actually. I've got some small knots, as you all know, but that's the first Yaqi with a smaller knot that I've got. And this is the code on this one. Oh, look at that. It's sort of a dark green if you can't work that out. It's a very dark green with a cream top, and that's yet another 24mm. I love the fact that it's got sort of gold writing there. That's really nice. Very nice indeed. So that's the last of the Yaqi brushes that I'm opening today. As I say, if I can find a name for them, I'll put them up there. If I can't find the name, I'll just put a question mark and somebody else can fill the name in the comments below. So all in all, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes to choose from, which is fantastic. Thank you so much, Grace from Yaqi, for arranging this, and the subscriber that enabled it. Even though I can't mention your name, at the end of the day, thank you very much. So those were all provided free of charge just for my review. which I'm gobsmacked that I've got to that stage that my channel's been taken that seriously, that people want to send me some brushes and things for review. I'm honoured. I really am. So this is a purchase that I've made based on a recent shave, and I think those of you that have been following my channel will know probably what this is. Recently I had a meet-up with some of the Welsh shaving mafia, and Chris from CB Shaves lent me his Masamune Nodachi, or Nodachi. I'm terrible with words, with pronunciation sometimes. But I decided it was that good I was going to get my own. So this is the box that's arrived. Came FedEx. Didn't get any discount. I paid full price for this. I did ask if they do a discount, if they had any discounts on, and they said no. And I decided I was going to buy it anyway because it was so good. You can see I haven't opened this. It's still sealed. So I like that. That is just so nice that they've done that. And it's actually got, if I'm correct, yeah. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see that, but it's got the, what do you call that? The symbol of the Portuguese company, Masamune, symbol of the samurai warrior there. So, let's open this. I'm just tearing the paper very carefully because I want to try and keep the wrapping if I can. Now I ordered this on the, because of, that last video. But I changed it slightly. There's a way to customize the razor. So the one criticism I had was of the handle, that I didn't really like the slick handle on it. Now the question is, how do I get this out of the box? There's got to be a way. This is quite difficult. Is this stuck on or something? Ah, it's beginning to move. Oh damn, I've ripped it. Only a small rip. There we go, pulling it out. So, you should be able to see the difference. I didn't like the slick handle on it so much, so I decided to go for a different handle with the sort of grips all the way down. That does feel a bit more grippy. Feels like, with the indentations there, and I quite like the look of that. And I'll just take the handle off. There's no washer in this that I can see. I'll show you the base plate so you can see it is a, how do you say it? Nodachi. There we go. You should be able to see that that's a Nodachi razor and cap. So that will be used soon, but I've got a few requests to do before I can get around to using this. And as I used this recently, or I used Chris's recently, it's probably an idea. There's actually a mark on that. I don't know whether you can see that. Don't know whether that's going to come out on camera, but there is a small mark or blemish there. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but I can see it. Don't think it's going to wipe off. Let's see. No, that's not coming off. I'll have to ask. I'll have to get in touch with Masamune to see if they can replace that cap. Definitely something I can't clean off with my cloth here. Let's have a look. No, it's very faint. It's got fainter, so we'll see. I'll give it a try, put it through a shave, I don't think, as I say, you're going to be able to see that. But there is a slight blemish, but it's almost disappeared, so I think that's probably fine. It'll probably clean off after the first shave. But there we are. And then in here, so I love the fact they're using cork, because Portugal is well known for its cork trees. It's got a razor for a lifetime. It's got sort of a Tatara leaflet in there with a few feather razor blades, and it's basically an information leaflet. Masamune is crafted to endure a lifetime. Any defect in our product will be repaired. So we'll see if that mark goes. I can still see it, there's just a very faint blemish now after I'd wiped it, tried to polish it off. But yeah, anyway, so this will not get used for a fair few weeks, actually, probably 3 or 4 weeks, because I've got a whole list of comparison shaves to do, mainly to do with one of my recent purchases, and you'll see what that is on Saturday. It's going to be an interesting comparison. I've had about 3 emails or messages asking me for these comparisons, so I've made a note of those that have requested it. And I will do that, and this may end up being one of the razors I compare to a recent purchase. Let's just say the Overlander. So I've got about 3 different requests to compare the Overlander, the Carve Overlander, with other razors. So I shall be doing those on consecutive weekends, and I'll probably finish off with this one versus the Overlander. But I think this will definitely be more aggressive than the Overlander. We'll see. But that's it. That's the end of the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more unboxing, because I don't tend to do that, but I had that many products to show you, and I did promise Yaki that I would do an unboxing of their products. And you know, that's my honest reaction when you saw all of those. So thanks for watching. Come back for the next video that will follow on from this, which will be today's straight shave. Alright, bye now.